Hello students, welcome to the physics concepts, and today we are going to study Einstein photoelectric equation. In the last few classes we have studied electron emissions, work function. So I will do electron emissions or work function to understand try karo. We'll have a quick review. Electron emissions ki itu ekta process ase electrons ke metal surface pa olai diwole nimite. To electrons ke metal surface pa olai diwole ase kule to man electrons ke energy supply kro lage, and the energy which we have supplied, if it is sufficient ena hole to itu electrons to surface barrier to overcome kurini tai olai jabo. Holbi if the energy is not sufficient ena hole to the surface barrier to overcome kurle na parbo or tai olaule na parbo. Okay, to itu ekta process ase electrons ke metal surface pa olai diwole nimite. Itu process ki koi electron emissions. Work function ki ase kole to the minimum energy required by electrons to escape from the metal surface. Itu ke koi work function. Itu work function dekta minimum energy ase man kuntu electrons ke di ni metal surface pa free kurai dole, escape kurai dole nimite. Okay, utu energy ki koi work function. So I will man Einstein photoelectric equation to all understand kole try karo. Einstein's pa koi man energy metals de sab diya do energy man diya do ekta light la form de de itu energy do man supply kuri ase itu electrons de itu electrons to itu energy h new energy do itu incident radiation hode itu energy hode to itu energy do tai two ways pra use kuri ase ekta do tai itu surface barrier pra olaule nimite use kuri olop energy do. That means which will be equivalent to the work function. Okay, work function ki ase kole to the minimum energy required by an electrons. Kiman energy required kore itu surface ba olaule nimite. Utu ki koi work function. Na to all of energy to tai to work function. Itu olaule nimite use kro. Itu surface ba olaule nimite aur bachi ja remaining energy to tai velocity gain krole use kro. Okay, that will be equivalent to kinetic energy. Itu electrons to itu kinetic energy pai jabo to all remaining energy use kuri. Okay, to Einstein by to koi itu energy man supply kora do itu energy do itu electrons to duta way ra use kore ekta do itu surface la bahar olaule, which is equivalent to the work function. Na our remaining bachi ja energy do tai velocity gain krole itu use kore. So I will understand kole try ko. According to Einstein's, when a photon of energy h nu falls on a metal surface, the energy of the photon is used in two ways. Duta ways by use kore ekta ro ki hoise moi itu work function. Itu work function. Itu energy do equivalent to the work function ho. That means the surface pa olaule nimite. Okay, surface la bahar de olaule nimite use kore, which is equivalent to the work function. Aro remaining bachi ja energy do tai velocity gain krole use kore. That means which will be equivalent to the tala kinetic energy pai jawo tai remaining energy use kore ni. Okay, work function ki ase hoise moi minimum energy tai required kore itu surface la bahar de olaule nimite. Utu energy ki work function koi do to all of energy do tai surface la bahar de olaule use kro do to energy do work function la equivalent ho aro bachi ja do tai velocity gain krole. That means the kinetic energy paule nimite use kro remaining energy do. To Einstein by to koi to sabi according to law of conservation of energy. Kile mo law of conservation of energy ate koi ase kule do itu energy do conserve ase do loss no do itu energy tai man dia do itu energy h nu itu electrons ke dia do tai loss krane do tai use krishu do na in two ways use krishu do itu ne do energy do conserve ase. To ere sabi energy of incident radiation is equal to the all of the work function korne use kurise aru remaining bachi ja do tai maximum kinetic energy. Kile man maximum ko asule do sabi electrons khan do itula bitor de na ase kui to itu surface te thaka surface se thaka electrons ke man energy disule do tai olai jawo do ar tai ola dam de tai eko atom slot eko molecule slot collide nokuri ni olawo do ta energy ko loss no ho ena hole ta energy do maximum ho do whereas suppose moi tai ke disule do tai ke energy disule do as energy do tai ke na disule do tai ola dam de to atom slot collide kro do to due to the collisions the energy olop to loss ho jawo do na that means the energy do iman maximum do no do iman bishi do no do na kile olop to loss ho jay so dai na le surface se thaka han gi disule do tai do eko loss no do collisions hole man chances nai do to the energy do maximum ho okay to moi to consider kurche idu oni ade maximum kinetic energy power dai okay to sabi iman energy dishe eman energy dia bado all of energy that work function ko le use kurise surface la bahar olaole nimite use kurise which is equivalent to the work function ki asule do the minimum energy required to come out of the surface na utu ke koi work function tidu all of the work function ko use kro ar bachi jaro tai velocity gain ko le use kro which will be equivalent to the kinetic energy tidu kinetic energy ase to tai tala kinetic energy kiman ho gole do moi itu side loji shule do h nu do minus kuri disi gole do itu bacha wala do tala kinetic energy ho do to itu sabi moi itu side lo jawo h nu minus phi naught ena korle do tala kinetic energy kiman ase itu man pai jawo okay yadi man ekta case consider kuri ase itu frequency itu energy e equal h nu itu frequency do if nu is just equal to threshold frequency itu la nu to kile energy ra formula ki ase e equal to h nu asu do itu nu to itu threshold frequency la equal hoise gule do threshold frequency ki ase gule do man frequency ke electrons to does not comes out at all frequency na electrons ke olai deule nimide ekta sufficient frequency lage na sufficient frequency di sigule etu electrons to ola start ho jawo do kile man frequency ke increase korle energy bi increase hoy do to etu electrons ke olai deule nimide ekta sufficient energy lage do to tam de frequency bi ekta sufficient hole lage do to man frequency ke increase kuri ni jai ase ar kun to frequency de electrons ola start ho jawo uti ki koi threshold frequency it is suppose moi nu 1 this ade itu do nu 1 ase to energy is equal h nu 1 uta de electrons ola nai moi ja nu 2 dise to itu nu do itu la frequency to moi nu 2 di dise that means e equal to h nu 2 itu be electrons ola nai ita moi itu frequency olop increase korise frequency means moi light lana itu vibration number of vibration do visual korte ase de okay to kita frequency means number of vibration per second to kunla frequency bishi hobo kunla vibration number per second bishi hobo tala frequency bishi hoy kunla frequency bishi hoy tala energy bi bishi ho jay man already porishi do na to itu nu 3 ase koi itu la nu 3 ase itu frequency bishi ase do itu frequency bishi howa ba tala energy bi bishi ase itu energy of light dia nimite itu electrons to bahar de ola start hoise to kun to frequency de electrons bahar de ola start ho jay uti ke koi man threshold frequency holi bi threshold frequency de dai bahar de dai olawo holi tai velocity de ko gain no kro dai tala kinetic energy de ko na thakyo okay khali tai bahar de ola to hi ho okay itu ke koi man threshold frequency ar threshold frequency de man do show kore de और threshold frequency ba bishi frequency ke increase kura start hojule do tai kinetic energy bi pass start ho jao kile gule do threshold frequency je khali bahar de hi olawo और threshold frequency ba bishi frequency ke increase kurishi gule do tai bahar de bi olawo plus tai kinetic energy bi gain kura start ho jao tala kinetic energy bishi ola hobo man ke na frequency do increase kuri thakbo okay to sabi yedi ekta case consider kuri ase man itu kuntu energy dishe otu energy la itu frequency do threshold frequency la equivalent ase kule do electrons to bahar te olawo holi tai velocity to ku na pawo velocity pa nai gule to la kinetic energy bi na thakibo do to sabi if nu is just equal to threshold frequency then the free electrons emitted from the metal surface will not have any kinetic energy taiko kinetic energy to na thakibo bahar de olai lewina to itu equation 1 to ki hui jaw bole do itu kinetic energy la jaga de man ki likhi do 0 because the kinetic energy na thakibo to kinetic energy comes 0 then equation 1 then equation 1 ki hui jaw itu la jaga de man 0 di do to 0 ishi do aur itu ki man itu side ani shule do tai plus hui jaw itu hui jaw itu ki equation 2 di do me to ye de sabi equation 1 or equation 2 de saisule do itula jaga de itu ki ase work function na that means itu energy do equivalent to work function hui jaw work function ki ase the minimum energy required to come out of the surface bahar de ola ole nimite kiman energy lagi itu ki work function koi do to man ki dia kinetic energy nai gule do bahar de olaise kinetic energy do pa nai itu energy do work function like equivalent ho do to sabi work function is equal to h nu naught that means iman energy ho this energy will be equivalent to the work function to itula jaga de moi itu hali do to itu hali dise sabi itu equation 1 de moi do from 1 and 2 lo itula jaga de moi h nu naught hali do yede h to moi common li lo nu minus nu naught pawo do to itu equation ke koi Einstein photoelectric equation to man itu equation de ki learn kursule do sabe kinetic energy la formula so do kinetic energy is equal to h so ki ase constant ase Planck's constant aru itu nu naught bi ki ase ekta constant ase na that means kinetic energy do itu frequency de depend kore so do frequency itula meaning to itu electrons la kinetic energy do frequency de depend kore man frequency kina increase kudhago kina frequency increase kuri thago tala kinetic energy idu olaija electrons the emitted electrons la kinetic energy bi bishi wala ho as we increase the frequency of the light okay kida man frequency of light increase kuri ni jabo ta idu ola electrons metal surface pa ola electrons la kinetic energy bi bishi wala ina ho to man itu topic te itu buchi shema